The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel, to the new video, and today we're doing 1 inch. Why? Because it's finally doing something that hasn't been done in a long while. It's pumping. Okay, today is down by 4%, but like yesterday and before that it was pumping. So okay, we are a couple of days behind, but we're still gonna talk about 1 inch and see what's happening. Anyways, let's get into the charts. Make my face smaller, charts bigger, always a good thing, and see what's actually happening with the 1 inch. It's pretty nice. So there was some kind of triangle here, and I think the triangle actually went something like this. All the way from this top over here to these... I think this is a triangle because it was hitting this top over here, and then retest on the line right over here. So I think this is the correct triangle, at least the resistance line. And then we had this support line down here, and this is a little bit more tricky, but I think it goes all the way down to these wicks over here in the start. So I think they're quite supportive, and something like this because it hits it here, also here. So I think this is the correct triangle, and you can see here that we went yesterday, 2 days ago, we went out of the triangle, then we retested it, and now we're continuing up. We got small pullback here, and that might be because of this 50 moving average, but we're going to talk about that. But right now we are on outside of the triangle. Yeah, let's start talking about moving average because they are pretty significant. So basically, for a long while now, we've been sitting below moving averages, all the moving averages since 5th March. That's like almost 2 weeks ago. Below the 10, 20 and the 50 moving average. The white one being the 10 moving average, and you got 20 moving average, and this is the 50 moving average. So we are sitting below it, and here we actually tried to get above it, right? Tried to pump, but we got resisted on the resistance line on the triangle, right? And just got below all the moving averages. So we did hold above all the moving averages for a couple of days, and then we got this red candle over here, and something like that's actually happening now. If you want to see it, we are above all the moving averages, like on the just like on the first pump. Then you got this second pump that was holding us above it. The difference here is that you got this wick of the rejection. Now we are above the triangle, but now you get to this third candle, and this third candle actually put us all the way below all the moving averages. That won't happen this time. Probability is very small that it's gonna happen, because this happened while we got rejected on the resistance line. We are not getting rejected by anything here. There are maybe some resistance lines over here, but it looks more to me like some kind of a retest of 4.6 line. Yeah, you can see exactly on the dollar. I don't know if you watched my previous videos, but 4.6 was quite important line as resistance, and you can see here that we are actually right now getting a retest on that line. So the bullish thing, the very bullish thing, is that we are above the 50 moving average on the daily, and I think that is a super important thing. So we are also above this 4.6 line now. We are retesting it, so I think maybe more tomorrow we can even pump further higher up. And now comes the very interesting part of the video, where we are going to talk about the price. We're going to talk about the price prediction, where this is going to go. And we're going to do it 2 ways. But first, let me just say a quick word about MACD, and say that we actually got the bullish cross over here. Right on this here. So we got the bullish cross, we are above all the moving averages, we are out of the triangle, we passed the 4.6 line. This is as bullish as you can get. This is as bullish as you get. Not only that, the daily RSI is only at 58, here was down at 46, so we are nowhere even close to the overbought level. So this can go pretty high up, trust me on that, Not a financial advice, you do you, I'll do me, you know, and all that shebang. But I think, my opinions only, this is gonna go sky high. So how high? The first leg up, how high is gonna be? So you know how they say the triangle, you should take the top to the bottom of the triangle, right, and then extrapolate where that's gonna go. Let me just do this so it's a straight line like this. So you're gonna draw 3 targets up here, 3 targets. This is the first target. I think this is the wrong target, but we're still gonna have it. This is at 7.5, and that's the distance over here. That's the wrong way to do it. I think you should actually take the distance from the top to the bottom, where it actually hits the bottom, where it starts to get in triangle, because this part is a triangle, this part is a triangle, this is not a triangle. It is triangle if you consider this top over here, but it doesn't start to being this first triangle, this is second triangle. So I think you got to use the second part as the top and bottom. And now come also the idea that you should use the top wick and the bottom wick right over here. Let's just remove this one. Top and bottom wick, and I put it, let's do it more precise, like this, up here. Top and bottom wick, and maybe the target should be around, what's that, 7.2. 7.2. And the third way to do this, so we are doing the test right now. It's do it like from the line to the line, okay, from the line to the line, and exit here, and we're gonna put the target over here, and that's a 6.4. So I'm really interested next time we do our 1 inch video, if we are gonna hit 6, 4, 7, 2, and 7, 5, 7, 6. I mean, we're gonna hit them all on the way up, of course, but we have to see which line is creating most resistance to the price, and whichever line creates most resistance to the price, meaning that's the way how you should do these kind of triangles, where the first part of a triangle is actually not even touching the bottom part, and then you get to this zigzag pattern actually, if that's in the important one. Anyways, however you look at it, we are very bullish on it. I just said we are above all the moving averages. We got the MACD cross. RSI is not overbought. We just got a retest on the 4.6 line. That was very important. And if you don't believe me how important it is, just go back and watch my previous 1 inch videos. Very important line. And now we got these targets that are just extremely bullish targets. And that's from right now, that's 30, 40, almost 60% all the way up. Will it go? How high will it go? We have to wait and see. But right now, super bullish on 1 inch. And now we come to the point where you subscribe to the channel, like the video if you like the video, you know, if you like technical analysis, join the channel, man. We do technical analysis here. Maybe you might learn something. Write down in the comments for a YouTube algorithm, and yeah, take care, man. Take care. And a woman, man and woman, and everything in between, how you want to put it, everybody. And dogs as well. I got some dogs watching. Bye.